Are you a 12th class student thinking about the next big step in life? Or in your final year of UG, wondering if you should do PG? Right decisions taken at the right time help reap benefits in the long run. Lucky for you, we provide complete career guidance as well as end-to-end assistance for UG and PG admissions to colleges in India and abroad, and for school admissions in India. With 28 years of expertise in the field, we are here to help you choose the right career path from the umpteen number of course options available these days, as well as help you secure a seat in the top colleges in India and abroad. Right from personalized career counselling, guided campus tours, seat booking provisions, assistance with scholarships and educational loans, NRI admission assistance. We do it all. Admissions in India or abroad is no joke, as lakhs of people compete to get into the top institutions. Hence, it's never too early to plan for it. Connect with us today and let's get started with tapping into your truest potential. Admissions for 2024 to 25 are now open.